In this video, you're going to learn how to make a delicious, simple cornbread that you can have any night of the week. It's a really great recipe. Stick around, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, let's go over the list of ingredients for this cornbread. Very simple, just 7 ingredients. We'll start out with 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. We've got 2 eggs already beaten together. We've got 2 cups of buttermilk. There's 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We've got 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Very simple ingredients. We'll show you how we put them together. All right, let's talk about this skillet for a minute. This happens to be a 10-inch skillet. We've already pre-greased it with some Crisco just on the inside. What you want to do with this, you want to place this into an oven, a preheated oven at 450 degrees. And you want to leave it in there for about 4 minutes so it can get good and hot. So when you put the mixture in there, it starts to cook it right away. So again, I'll repeat that. It's a 10-inch skillet. We've already put the Crisco in here. You want to put it in the oven at 450 degrees, actually preheated oven at 450 degrees for about 4 minutes. And then you'll take it out and put the ingredients in there. We'll show you what that looks like as well. Okay, so when the skillet is in the oven, you want to give it just a second. You're going to mix all your dry ingredients together. So you've got about 2 minutes left of that skillet heating up in the oven. So she's put in the cornmeal, the baking soda, baking powder, and the salt. She's mixing it up briefly. So all the dry ingredients go in first. Then you're going to put the wet ingredients in. Your oil, your egg, and your buttermilk. Doesn't necessarily matter what order they go in. You want to mix those wet ingredients in. The key for this is to not over mix the dry ingredients. Just enough, you want to mix it just enough to where the dry ingredients have been moistened. Again, don't over mix. You'll see what we mean in a minute. There we go. Nicely done. Once this is done, you can take the skillet out. It should be ready to go, and you'll hear what that heat does to that mixture in just a second. She's pulling that skillet out now. All right. You just want to spoon that batter into that skillet. Don't touch it once it's in there. You're going to put it back into the oven at that same 450 degrees for about 25 more minutes. When you do that, you should be good to go. Okay, taking it out of the oven. It's been just about 25 minutes, just under 25 minutes. We took a look at it. It's golden brown, so we took it out now as opposed to the full 25 minutes. But look at that. I mean, that is perfect. It's got a nice golden crust on the top. Really good. The smell is just incredible in here. But again, it's a simple cornbread, easy to make at home every day. Literally takes 25 minutes practically start to finish. It's not a sweet cornbread, but again, it's just a simple cornbread. Very delicious. Hope everybody enjoys the video, and I hope you have success making this cornbread. Let me know what you think.